Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a very tasty traditional sweet, and normally it takes a lot of time to reduce the milk and thicken it. We are now going to make it in a very easy way so that you can use only less time and enjoy the sweet. For this I have taken 2 cups of milk powder. You can use any brand of milk powder that is available. To this add 1 cup of water and mix it well without any lumps. Now pour this into a heavy pan and over a low flame keep on stirring it till it thickens. See, it has been cooking for about 7 or 8 minutes now and it has thickened still further. At this stage I am adding 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to this and again mix it very well and continue cooking it. Next I am adding half a cup of this jaggery powder. I will give you the link to this jaggery powder. It is very clean and healthy option instead of using white sugar. Now again continue mixing everything very well together. Ensure that there are no lumps and see that everything comes together like this. At this stage finally you can just add about 2 teaspoons of ghee and give it a good mix once again. Addition of ghee gives it a good shine. Now finally we can just powder some cardamoms and add to it. Add the cardamom powder to it. Mix it well and it's done. See, when everything comes together like this, it is done and we can remove it into a serving bowl. For added flavor I am just adding some saffron on top. And your tasty traditional milk sweet Thirattupal is ready in just about 10 minutes. If you like, you can pour it in a greased mold and allow it to cool down completely. Keep it in the fridge for about 8 hours and then we can cut it into pieces. When it has set well, you can cut it into pieces like this and serve it out. So in 2 ways you can enjoy this sweet. You can have it like a Thirattupal or a halwa, serving it in a bowl and eat it off a spoon, or you can set it till it cools down very well. It took me about 8 hours in the fridge to set completely and then cut it into pieces like this and serve. Whichever way you serve, the taste is going to be simply delicious. This milk sweet known as Thirattupal is a very traditional sweet from Tamil Nadu, where we laboriously make it by you take about 5 liters of milk and then continuously cook it till it reduces in consistency and then add your jaggery or sugar and cardamom powder to it. But today we have made it in a very simple and easy way. This is made on all festive, special and auspicious occasions, and especially during marriages, when the bridegroom enters the marriage hall for the first time, the bride's mother receives him with a box of this Thirattupal. That is the tradition, and this takes us down memory lane exactly 40 years ago. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting recipe video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.